We are now looking at testing strategies. So software testing is to improve quality, verification, validation, history of software, problems in software testing, scope of objectives. Then you have testing, functional testing and structural testing. As the name suggests, you test some function versus test the structure. Then you have levels of testing. Then you have debugging techniques and approach on how you are going to debug that. And you have testing for conventional object-oriented programming, which is a little different because object-oriented focuses around object. So, software testing is a process of executing a program or system with the intent of finding errors, evaluating your capability of errors. During design, defects, software inequality, the same complexity error comes. So, this is to improve quality for verification and validation. So, typical software quality factors are like functionality, engineering, and adaptability. So, functionality, exterior quality, usability, integrity, engineering quality, efficiency, documentation, structure, and adaptivity, flexible usability, and maintenance. These are the overall quality. So if you are engineered it well, then it should be efficient, stable. If you are functional well, then you are reliable, usability, integrity, correctness, external characteristics, adaptability, flexibility. History of software testing. So debugging oriented, demonstration, destruction oriented, evaluation oriented, and prevention oriented. So requirement model, restriction model, texture model, individual performance, usability, problem in testing. Testing objective way of so reusable component, domain component, and commercial component. So scope of software testing. Then we have testing process. So regression testing and finding fault. The functional testing. So testing are traditionally divided into black box testing, where functional testing is known as black box testing. So this is black box. Black box testing software is as a black box without knowledge. Black box methods include equivalent partition, boundary value, all test fuzzy model based. This is important check. What kind of a testing are they? The black box. So that is function. So equivalent partition, boundary, pair testing, fuzzy, is all quantitative part. Black box test treats them as a black box. Use the knowledge of internal structure. Specific is non-structure. Structural testing is known as white box. So here you know the behavior and the structure model. The different types of tests are used. Types of white box testing is code coverage, mutation, fault, static, code complete evaluation. White box testing can be used to evaluate components of teams to post code complete. Gray box testing is having access to internal data structure for a purpose of but testing user black box level. Manipulating input data. Testing activity, compatibility, conformity, functional load, performance test, regression test, smoke test, stress test, all kind of a test that uses do. So level of testing, unit testing, system testing. System testing, you have program testing, string testing, system testing, system documentation, user accepted testing. You have debugging techniques and debugging approaches. So the first diagram here, debugging, locate the data, organize data, study relationship, device hypothesis, cannot locate the data, provide hypothesis, fix the error, the deductivity, enumerate possible causes, use of process elimination. So that was the first part of the error handling. So testing type object and a unit in object encapsulation means that class object is okay. Then you have testing techniques, you have white box testing and black box techniques. So these are like fuzzy logic and all those kind of things. We will quickly go through that. So white box testing or a glass box testing to test control structure. This method engineer can exercise one correct. Logical error or incorrect assumption are inversible property the proclaimers can. We believe that logical path is not likely to topological error. So white box testing is guarantee all independent exercise, at least one exercise all logical decision, execute all loops, internal structure, flow graph for rotation, sequence if while hunting, so you are testing loop, cyclomatic complexity analysis where you check the cycles. So this, since you know the structure, you need graph method to find out cyclomaticity, complexity, number of graph, deriving test cases, start. So using code corresponding flow diagrams, so flow charts and different charts you can find out. Then you have black box testing, Behavior testing focuses on functional requirements, so input data, system data, output test is incorrect missing function, dated area. Then you have boundary value analysis, then equivalent class testing, decision table testing, basic cause effect symbols, so equivalent partitioning, designing equivalent partitioning, and so on. So this is your testing and fault based testing. In the black box you use decision partitioning and those kind of things. So in the black box you have input, system, output data, incorrect missing function, errors. So boundary value function, the art of testing is to come with small test cases with a chance of detecting and minimize. So hence input bounded are two values respectively. Input of two variables. We will check the boundary value. Decision table testing, equivalence class testing, and so on. Then you're building the analysis model.